Greetings, beautiful people, beautiful beings. Welcome to the man behind the voice. Random thought number 3. Why some voices just sound famous. You ever hear someone speak and immediately think, yeah, you've definitely been interviewed before? Because some voices don't sound normal. They sound produced, like they came with a publicist. There are some voices that belong on podcasts, documentaries, voiceovers, and then there are voices that sound like they've been on hold with customer service for 20 years. Some people could read a shopping list and still meaning like, go on, I'm listening. Meanwhile, someone else tells you a life-changing story and the voice says absolutely nothing about it. I don't know what it is. Tone, rhythm, confidence. But certain voices carry presence. They don't chase attention, they just arrive. Maybe that's what fame sounds like before the fame shows up. Anyway, that was random thought number 3. If that made you question your own voice or someone else's, like, comment, subscribe, do all the algorithm things. I'll see you in the next flow.